Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. January 1st, 2026. Wow. For the last decade, I like posting a salad as the first recipe. For Club Foodie's a yearly tradition, I decided to make this one. My version of Fattoush Salad. This healthy Levantine dish can be an appetizer, a side, or a main course. Plus, it's a delicious way to begin a new chapter. On behalf of my team, we wish you a happy, peaceful, healthy, and prosperous new year. So let's get cooking. One thing that is very distinctive about Fattoush salad is the fried or toasted pieces of pita bread. So we'll go ahead and slice a couple 6-inch round flatbreads into small triangles. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll try to get them about the same size. We'll place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, then brush the tops with oil before generously sprinkling on za'atar, which is a gorgeous Middle Eastern spice blend that you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. As I mentioned earlier, the pita can be either fried or toasted. I prefer toasting them, so we'll transfer the well-seasoned triangles to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake until golden, about 10 to 12 minutes, rotating the sheet halfway through cooking. We'll remove from the heat, set them aside, and as they cool off, they'll get crispier. Next, we'll make the vinaigrette. In a small container or a jar, we'll add extra virgin olive oil, then freshly squeezed lemon juice, some pomegranate molasses, and to get my homemade recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by sumac, which is another amazing spice from the Middle East. A little bit of ground cumin, plus ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll put the lid on and shake it until well combined, and just before using it, we'll shake it again, just to make sure the oil didn't separate from the rest of the ingredients. All right, let's assemble the salad. In a large bowl, we'll add the lettuce, and to find out how to keep it longer in the fridge, you know where the link is. Then English cucumber, although Persian is the right kind to use but hard to find here in Vancouver, some cherry tomatoes, and to make it even more colorful, I'm adding orange peppers, followed by thinly sliced shallots and radishes, which are both superfoods. We'll also add feta cheese or halloumi, your choice, fresh chopped parsley and mint, as well as dill, because they're all rich in chlorophyll. Plus, these three together are a tasty combo. We'll gently toss the ingredients until nicely blended before drizzling on the vinaigrette. Don't forget to shake it before. And garnish with a few pita crisps. And my friends, this is our Fattoush salad. Colorful and tasty, this healthy salad has a delicious combination of ingredients. It's a great way to start the new year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!